Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a passport-size photo in Photoshop in just a few minutes. This is a useful skill if you need to apply for a passport and you do not have a professional photo studio nearby. You can use any photo that meets the standard image requirements, such as having a neutral expression and no accessories that cover your face or head. You can find the specific size requirements for your country online. But for this tutorial, I am going to use the size of 1.5 by 2 inches. Okay, let us go. First, open your photo in Photoshop and go to Crop tool and enter 1.5 inch for the width and 2 inch for the height. You also need to enter 300 pixels per inch for the resolution. Adjust the crop window size and move to center of the face. Click the tick icon to crop the image. Go to Image Size under Image from the toolbar. Set 300 pixels to width and 400 pixels to height. Set 300 pixels per inch for the resolution. Go to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter. Here you can adjust the exposure, contrast, color, clarity, and other settings of your photo. You can also use the spot removal tool to remove any blemishes or distractions from your face. When you are happy with the result, click OK to apply the changes. Right-click the Object Selection tool, pick the first one. This tool can automatically select the main subject of your photo. To use it, just click the Select object. Photoshop will create a selection around your face. You can refine the selection by using the Select and Mask. Here you can use the Refine Edge brush tools to smooth out the edges of your selection and remove any unwanted parts of the background. Add a white background by creating a new layer first. Then filling it with a solid white color. Move the white background layer under your image layer, then merge visible layers. Go to Edit from Toolbar and select Stroke. Set stroke width to 1 pixel and color to blue. Go to Edit and select Define Pattern. Give a name to the pattern and click OK. Create a new document by going to File, then New. Set 1200 pixels for the width and 800 pixels for the height. You also need to enter 300 pixels per inch for the resolution. Click Create to make a new document. Go to Edit from Toolbar and select Fill. Select Pattern from Contents and pick the pattern that we just created. Click OK, and that is it. Congratulations. Now you can save your passport photo to JPEG file for printing. You have successfully created a passport size photo. Thanks for watching and see you next time.